Everybody say, say, how can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done for me? Words are not enough, to say thank you. Say, Lord, you are my everything. You're my everything. How can I express my gratitude? How can I express my gratitude for all the many things, Father, you done for me, yeah. Words are not enough to say thank you. So Lord, you are, you're my everything. Say, I call you Jireh. Lord, my provider. I call you Nisi. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. Hey. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are.
This is our world. Here we are in our community. There are the laws. There are the regulations. We have BWF Solicitors. BWF Solicitors, experts in all aspects of the law, family law, civil litigation, all immigration and nationality issues, representation in court, marriage and divorce. We pride ourselves to give you excellent legal services and follow through till we get you the right result and decisions. That is our mutual satisfaction. We have a team of excellent qualified solicitors and support team to help you every step of the way. Our senior partner with over 30 years of unbroken service to the community is a member of the Family Law Panel and has advised several lawyers and institutions in many legal matters. He is qualified to practice both in the UK and in Ghana. Come to us. Speak to us. Let us represent you. We are your trusted community partners when it comes to the law. Locate us on the 4th floor of the Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road at Seven Sisters in North London, N15 4NP. Nearest train station, Victoria Line to Seven Sisters Station, exit number 2. We are open for all consultations from Monday to Friday, 9:30 AM to 6 PM. Weekends by appointment only. Call us now on 0208 493 7340 or 077 127 61884. BWF Solicitors, your trusted legal partner.
Official poll. Question number 1. Law firm Bay and the one Anna House on top of the Seven Sisters Tube Station, exit number 2. BWF Solicitors. Correct. It is that time of the year again. BWF Solicitors, our trusted community law firm at the Christmas quiz competition. Ababiomo. We have gone through 2022 together. We have celebrated 30 years of our senior partners on broking service to the community. And so we'll be winning the prizes from the annual quiz competition. Listen, every 1st December, Ecosi 23rd December 2022, following on all our social media platforms, on BW Radio, BW TV, any Rainbow Radio show, answer very simple and interesting questions, and you will stand a chance of winning a massive prize. First prize, 2-week stay in Ghana, flight and accommodation covered. Second prize, £500 cash. Third prize, £200 cash, plus many other consolation prizes. Afi Chapeau. BWF Solicitors. For our legal matters, but Daniel. You better handle no pepe at the amount. You 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road, Nosso, London N15 4NP, 4th floor of the Anna House. Freying, it was 0208 493 7340 or emergency number 077 127 61884. With over 30 years of service to the community, we are your trusted community lawyers. Yamawafi Chapeau. Merry Christmas.
Hello, Abusianfo, MNJ, Ayamahosepe, say, and then the last but one Friday of December 2022. You're saying a share bio, BW TV, so BW Radio, so Sanso, so, and your BWF Solicitors Facebook page, YouTube, and LinkedIn, any social media platforms. I would do it. You seem a little surprised, and anope, mahume, ewaha. Miniaba na manyeti is a little bit under the weather. Anti na I was say me ba be jinemu na yedi dwumadi ebrewo. But the asada kese ma say wa ba na fi uni edi enkita ho. Na oba na wa like your page na fi wa share so as well. Then you go to the comment section na what they want share at ho ade amaya say be ya nyina be hunu say won so wa ba. Your friend will recall so friend me energy me and anope me baby di ho echa me legal hour BWF solicitors asye na your day bro BWF solicitors eye emranim adwumaku a yene won ato ensa ato kese etu anamon 30 years ni na say obi anyone 90 for 30 years and now say nipa krono or ye trustworthy ono ankasa nso e obi obetimi aboa awa kwanya se nyina so say ye ba no e abrabo afamu e ba no professional way nso so a BWF solicitors eni yen atna edien asem amayen titiri ba na about family issues aware any divorce senior see etiano sanso so na ebase yem kojaw e court and say yem call abaimo na yinyina wachia BWF solicitors and na obetimi de wo ho ato won so yeah make say wa share adwuma se 9:30 aboyi na say office no abie or 4th floor of the Anna House 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road no so Seven Sisters North London postcode na N15 4NP. You know, bedin koma 0208 493 7340 0208 493 7340. And also say your frame agency numbers now 077 127 61884 077 127 61884. BWF solicitors say, bruh. Na one and one or two kasa say two with nim senia wa brabo any emremu sem no esitie and a three ubetimi de wo ho ato on so anything your friend the trusted community partners when it comes to the law. Your BW radio say your BWF solicitors yeah platform say na me kamfo amount say yeah ne what na kopem say ebebo dubako and we have something real good and special for you. Yeah, this not ebeba sounds so and I am quiz no yeah the last but one ebebro and ne chna ni aye draw no quiz no the ye can and say BWF solicitors and what's not throughout the year when why you throughout the year until a brass say you call afina year no you mount the chance to win wonderful prizes, super fantastic prizes. The Etienne Selbe answers as many questions as you can answer in 1 minute. Now, first prize a year, 2 weeks paid holiday in Ghana. Travel flight a car your mom baby all 2 weeks. No. Second prize a year, £500 cash. And a third prize a year, £200 cash. Who follow you on all our social media platforms who says money cost war. Yami Abdumachna on the program the community and the law. You be a live draw. Now they are selected the first 3 people who will be winning those wonderful prizes. Nyanka 2 weeks and anyway, minka hu idea na I was saying me ho chiame na ye bo ho de ro ade amount. And why na oba aba be boyen komode. Why na yenkomo ayede eba no oba aba be di ehun kan ama yen na afi etimi akoyie. And na de yeka pa ye asem kese baako. Na question me bisa ene se woyɛ visitors visa application a kwan bɛn so na wofa so yɛ no. Sometimes we take these things for granted. You feel so sorry, yeah, no akɔ website no so no akɔ questions say maybe sana oh it be a tick box yeah then na yeah say oh no yeah but obɛkɔ no na you refuse based on certain things. And I think so say you refuse visitors visa application. How do you appeal against it? Ya tati say so visitors visa there nya appeal to just akɔ application for fraud. Is that what the situation is? And now say be for a while, and then your baba be ho and come. And I'm privileged and honored, say, and then for a very long time, and then me so excited. Now, me that say, I'm not happy so you already, but I'm happy you've given me the opportunity to meet this man again on a program. A year lawyer Bernard Owusu, your friend Uncle Ben. Or no, and a senior partner of BWF Solicitors, the brain behind everything we've done over the 30-year period. Now, Uncle Ben, our Haiti, not just say Anope, you're being pa and kasa. We're going to learn and also have a lot of updates up our sleeves. Uncle Ben, good morning, Afisha Panso.
Oh, Kweko, good morning, Afishiapa. Na ya kasa ya che, ya program bo much. It's been several months. Mamemfa kwanya we so inchia menuanom mewofa asenom menam fofo, especially BWF Solicitors team, no. Over the last, few decades, my support here. Now, for us as a community-based business, at do that time, question ebisa ya hose, then you bet me I near the Adamase. Now, thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of supporters and patrons. And I was here and say through the means of quiz, a chance program no. Say ya deba na yeyi nipa miensa na ye choma de. Enti mama mfaso mbombo say afene so no ebise mo questions answer na ya chemu bibi. In fact, ye nyaa anke be che obi a bibi. Basa na mo nyina mo nim no nkrofo di echi thousands and thousands and thousands of people. Ti kwaku so what can official pa ya de ma ye nuanom ye community no. And a crazy nyame ya adoma ya china ye be ye 3 winners no. Na the also ya de ma omo ne de ma omo.
Okay. I was for senior Martin from the horse's own mouth. Yentimi and Kase Yandamase. Yadamase and son. You've been with us, you've been wonderful partners all throughout the year. NT BWF Solicitors Dawasia na Eset ne Efata. Of course, yentimi thousands, no yentimi and there will be us individually. But the Eka Sisia and say everyone deserves a Merry Christmas. Everyone deserves a thank you. Everyone deserves a hug. We're doing that virtually now, and everyone deserves a pat on the back. Teacher BWF Solicitors Abusia for Yadamunina say more kind na fi Yadijumedi no Abraham for Yawa the BIA, if you're the BIA, Mimin the BIA, in social media platforms. So every now and then we update you with information. And also, and I may economy business say, Agben, before be a unity this week, Anna.
Well, Kweku, of course, I'm say 2 days ago, Anna Yenya and TS High Court, Judge Lane, now wire decision about EU pre-settled status and a settled status, Sana mu nyinaa mu nim no under the 2006 regulation no sɛ obi tena ha 5 years automatically onya permanent residence. Ana yeah Brexit no withdrawal agreement no I'm say article 31 save a lot of we na war European processes no mu no. Enti judge ne say Home Office a share or their share obia say your mouth pre-settled status after 5 years I will say apply for indefinitely or say unlawful or say against the withdrawal agreement. Home Office appeal or more my intentions on my appeal a court of appeal. For now no the almost say law no but judge and idea can say settled status application are unlawful because one year obey illegal and then I had no say nkrofo bebre wo ho a omunim ebi na omunye and then suddenly will be lawful anka under the old regime no one year application cry no wa how lawful so na Europe nyina ya hyehyɛ no and then suddenly we ade ba kon say 15th of December and also court ama judgment the case of Fratler osemo amukuta pre-settled status multi-major benefit sana DWP Department of Works and Pension omo the lobby by sana de bia we no mo amende omo benefits regulation no ayane say wukuta pre-settled status no akoye te so bia okra zambrano enti ye be fa say for the purposes of regulation no we need UK court and say unlawful. Home Office assassin, Omajiatum, Department of Welfare, assassin omo regulation, omo sending directives. So be okuta pre-settled status be no recourse to public funds in ho until obeje benefiter or qualifying kwadia I was see a demand. I know you're very key because a boy ama omo a sebio omo ye European family members no ebia na ne ho akere na ebi kra na ye adwuma na adwuma no still on to be rent until being here support until now also kwaje family tax credit and housing benefit ni nyina aye possible to say to be okuta pre-settled status bia no say we a family member now we a European we a one year or pre-settled status no e ma ho kwan ma me ma mo caveat we a dependent family member the word dependent no kire say ugina obi so na wo kwaje benefits then na ugina obi so and no money ade a was a drain ho yes Uncle Benzo will be to me akwaje but also let's be mindful say more ugina nkrofo so no one of the requirements and say we are emotionally financially physically and whatever it is dependent on the EU national.
Okay, and then by way of the education kakra, I mean, Mr. say obi kuta pre-settled that ne card na be a no. Is there anything that indicates say or on me NJ public funds? Yeah, na yetro also.
Debbie, na aya yanti ase no. Eni nti na omo amende law no hwe Zambrano no ma omo amende law no. Case of Shakina. Eka Zambrano no ukra Zambrano we a person from abroad. We a person from abroad ultimate claim benefit. British citizens and so edu baby omutimi persons from abroad. Omuntimi because when you're habitually resident you're classified as a person from abroad until ultimate claim benefit. So I don't know year free for omo mukuta pre-settled status. Then him says Zambrano for Mobeka say na say yes you dey near pre-settled status. Mr. Anyamo asem na yaka no. Anyamo case na dey call court. Dey call court EU pre-settled status and a call court na high court no case of Fratila or final no say a unlawful DWP ene or master law na ukra or pre-settled status because he ensures no recourse no utimi ekoje or benefits.
Yo, I was here for any na asem dem inu aba be pie ene na ben aboso ade amayen legal hour and also BWTV so BW radio and our BWF solicitors social media platforms Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram ninyina you also only BWF solicitors ebedin comma 0208 493 7340. And I'll say emergency number 077 127 61884. Say yeah dwumadie say or text number be and say I will text be question be and concern be a person what they about na yi ano ema wa anka ben ankasa e wo ha obetimi asende yen text 07950 422780. And answer Breno Swa, Yabema Oha Kwai Moafre 0208 1231016 and now 07399208468 07399208468. Inti Shannon Sosa and my say Oko WhatsApp line Swa my voice note only yebetimi abo a day amount na Uncle Ben a year no a day a my abusia yen cherry home cry no. May Kai will say later on in this program, you be ye quiz no, until you're ready. Na ene ye ochade kweku maba na yenhwe say you bet me do din aka ye those in the heart already na nyame adom china on the community and the law program no ye de draw no aba na ye the first 3 people who will win those wonderful prizes. May still surprising you. First prize na a 2-week stay in Ghana, your home flight, your accommodation. Sanso and our second prize a year £500 cash. Third prize a year £200 cash. Prizes in no ubetimi about BWF Solicitor's office no about and now say over my bank account to pay the money directly into it for you. Well, we took quite also share idea no BWF Solicitors and will be the home come up now for the amount. Anyway, na me call and question ye ya pija ede atoha ye ba be di ho enkomo and question na me bisa and say normally amount for your busian for your nam for nom your business partners ya na omo person mo ba be trying and ya ha no mote nti omo ba as visitors. A kwame so na ye fa so a ye visitors visa application a be successful yen ka say yam fa amount ye refusal no sa letter no nya bia yana ne kan no kra ho pochicheche ne ade nti na omo pese meba omo krom ne ade emra ne hihye wo. But how do you do that successfully? And I think so say you refusal any refusal yem fa no say application be by extension no may extend it to any application but to visitors visa say refusal how do you go about it? And se betimi na uni matra for pen ne paper for toho because uncle men be chere ye niam be bre ni so enya sa nso so ye program here it will be live on or it will be kept on our Facebook page, YouTube page forever with me akwa. But now share the page, put your comments down there and like the page as well. Now and then me here bears 500 likes na yemfa enkoyenim. Uncle Ben, mpacho me question no wadaruma mabo weni media mamento ento. A quite ben so near so a year visa application and as a visitor's visa application a bit to me I successful.
Okay, quite cool. I mean, first of all, topic where the entire the abanis, so we here, yeah, chrome phone be brave and I community no. A lot of complaints say on my visitors visa application. A year near refusal to be or be or one or their bread lawyer solicitor say on her man will be across you. Lawyer boy, I mean draft or cover letter no. Sana beya bet me successful. Now, I idea higher as a firm no because community and kayebedi afi you be or inviting a busuya no ma ne ma or person mo ba no mudi bronya. E bi okra bi ano ye a year and I say or your graduation and our adoring and our wedding or person mo ba. Then so I see you know one my young background or circumstance for Ghana into a refusal and I say ya share sponsor not bank statements out the buy but would the anke yepe into a refusal you this away a genuine visitor. Kweku hardware in the sense yen feel sir since 2013 visitors appeal no e free hono. Ama visitors, sorry, 2003, not 13. Since 2003, visitors appeal no free hono. Ama omo decision here very poor. Anyam in America, inspector of immigration directorate, or call places be brave, no. Or so omo decision here very, very, very poor. Indeed, instances are ya take you on refusals are ya throw omo back, a challenge you omo no. Bebre na oma withdraw bi nso ɔmbɛka se san reapply or reapply a wobɛhu nso ɔmde ama wo enti yɛpɛ sɛ yɛhwɛ sɛ visitors visa no ɛyɛ den a first of all no yɛasesa law no sɛsi a no yɛfrɛ biribi appendix V deɛ fa yɛho bebree ne yɛ appendix V4 appendix V4.1 no ana yɛka visitors visa ho asɛm ɛkyerɛ wo nneɛma a ɛwɔ sɛ wohia yɛwɔ 5 points bi a case law aka ana UK VI nso ɔmo guidance ɛkyerɛ sɛ saa 5 points no ana yɛde determine sɛ obi ɛyɛ genuine visitor sɛ woba as a visitor deɛ ɔmo ahwɛ ne sɛ woba a wobɛkɔ woba a wobɛkɔ no ɛne na feed into decision a ɔmbɛka sɛ woyɛ genuine visitor nti the first thing ne sɛ one woyɛ obi a sɛbio woba a wo adeɛ a woba abɛyɛ no wakyerɛ ase anaa two watimi akyerɛ baabi a wote no watimi akyerɛ wasetenam ɛne wadwumayɛ mu school kom three wamu no watu kwan da wo kwan tu mu no ɛte sɛn four waba UK da wobaayɛ no wodi mmara no so ɛkɔsii sɛn ana finally no den na woba abɛyɛ saa areas 5 wei nyinaa no case law aka sɛ yɛka sɛ obi yɛ genuine visitor ɛno ne areas a ɛwɔ sɛ yɛhwɛ enti for us no den na ebetumi aboa wo na wote de ayɛ genuine visitors application the first thing is we decided sɛ wobɛyɛ application no aba UK a den na woba abɛyɛ that is the first thing sɛ woba as a tourist wobɛhwɛ Buckingham Palace ebi kora woba concert ebi kora woba abɛhwɛ wo nua bi wo maame wo papa anaa wadamfo ebi a wo partner wɔ ha wopɛ sɛ wobɛhwɛ no anaa sɛ bio wopɛ sɛ wobɛ school bi nti wopɛ sɛ wobɛhwɛ campus ne nneɛma sɛ na around this time nkurɔfoɔ ne ɔmo mma ɛkɔ universities kɔhwɛ ansa na ɔmo mma no choose UCAS next year no wakɔhwɛ ne nyinaa ɛyɛ helpful nti one reason a wɔde ma no ɛwɔ sɛ ɛyɛ reason a ɛtɔ asom nti sɛ woyɛ application na yɛwɔ space bi wɔ forms no so a ɔmo frɛ no further grounds anaa further evidence a ɛno no ɛwɔ sɛ wo state woyɛ cover note ɛwɔ hɔ na wode explain deɛ nti a wɔreba no two wɔn mu no a wɔreba no wɔn ana yɛ sponsor wo sɛ wo na wo sponsor wo ho a wo sikasɛm mu ɛte sɛn wo sikasɛm mu no kyerɛ sɛ wowɔ bank statements ideally no 6 months bank statement wobɛtumi ayɛ 1 year ayɛ 1 year mesrɛ mo moma yɛmpɔɔ so wɔ ha sɛ woakɔyɛ feeding statement ade yɛfrɛ no feeding statement sɛ woamu no wonni sika for the past 6 months no da biara woda 2000 cities woyɛ a woadwene sɛ wobɛkɔ aburokyire a wo 2000 cities no akɔdu 250,000 cities no explanation absolutely nothing what the akoka ho you be say your lawyer my balance near 250,000 ampa 250,000 but wo background information no me say for 6 months bank say you sure obehu say 2,000 1,000 2,000 so 250,000 in a fiba are possible say abi a wedi lotto abi a wedi gain abi a wo fa bi a opewasem no wa ma gift sɛ ɛyɛ gift a ɛyɛ okay sɛ wowɔ fa ɛwɔ ne sika bi a odi na wama wo gift a enti yɛfrɛ biribi yɛfrɛ no gift deed prepare gift deed menka sɛ ɛnyɛ sɛ obi bɛma wo sika na wode ato account mu but wode ato account mu because ɔse fa bra holiday na fetua o bills na wo nneɛma no enti woyɛ gift deed a nipa na ɔde maa no yɛnhwɛ ɔno nso na setenam kakra wayɛ letter and a give deed no the account ebi crowd in a bank statement a kyerɛ transfer no the account sɛ wo maame bi no wɔ UK ana ɔde abra wo sɛ kwaku fa to account mu na fa show na fa to ticket ma ɛno nso mmra ɛno nso yɛyɛ gift deed saa wayɛ ne nyinaa na ɔde aka ho nti yɛaka reason purpose two yɛaka financial standing and our background three ɛhe na woba hotel ɛyɛ okay yemu bebree tu kwan a yɛkɔda hotel enti wo ni mo bi wɔ akra still wotumi ba hotel na mmom sɛ wo ba unua ho ebia wo ba kweko ho wo ba dai ho ana wo ba na na wusu ho a unua na obegye watena no e wo so show baby a wo ba betena e wo so timi kire ni pete ho ono amu no ideally no so the bank statement a support and also 6 months tenancy agreement mortgage document ni nyina wo so de ka ho 4 what to quinder so want to quinder that is okay but what to quinder exhibit it naturally say me call Dubai me call Togo me call Ivory Coast me call South Africa me call America da me call Germany da ni nyina me call me san machi o cover note no a wo de ka ho no betwere and our passport stamps no e bi kra no man hwe passport stamps no because passport no nipa na o ye case no passport no nkɔ ne ho passport no akra ho na ne da enko ba bia akra ho ne da ho no mo de vignette no etintim mu enti explaining in the cover note no say last year me call say last 2 years me call say last 3 years me call say my nyina me kwa me ba wa mu no wasetena e wo Ghana eyede dodo na ebiomu ne hwe case bia this week eba manim nipa no ye Uber driver or driver obi Uber aye fine obeso obesra ne papa ana ne uncle aye absolutely fine decision na me hu ye omde be kire me no na kire se almost ni Uber na oye no oni bank account na niema but case law so kire se a case of Guha a Scottish case ba this month ya no sorry last month November sa case no kire se wuntimi nya blanket refusal say nipa na or say your Uber driver and the bank state maybe 10 cedis na wom into a refuse no I was so share the in the round no nipa no evidence or the abana evidence ni bi ni say obane papa ho and also obane uncle ho omo no mo support no omo ye adwuma in fact ne papa ye adwuma nya 4,500 a month ne uncle enso scadan account him about 40,000 omo nyina so omo support no no aba now in your culture no that is what we do enti ye no say your application you explain your culture no say with the accounts no wo offer ana wudi na ade to say wudi wo offer ade a wo offer no in a way no or moral duty say bibi say no support to nkrofo bebre tu kwan bible chire no omo offer no na tour ticket enti eno nso explain the final thing no say wa bahada exhibit it so ba wo che de enti awan contema explaining nyina na waye we nyina no wo de documents no wa scan no aye photocopies wa bono tofa wa cover letter online application a wo ye no wa fill in nyina o fail ya within the law within the case of Gua within the cases mesite na kire nyina no e kire se home office entimi nya blanket refusal so wo application no when you genuine visitor entimi me refusal enti kwaku how to make a successful visitor's application and then I'm actually one.
Okay. Uncle Ben, what boss so and your man was say yitimi imiti and I satisfy and sana your successful application no. Set me person me back UK on a visitor. Do I necessarily need to set will be invite me? Because oftentimes we better no be from pacho mommy invite. Na me fan kwaje visa. Mommy invite. Na me fan kwaje visa. Does it always have to be so?
Kweku, no, absolutely not. First of all, no, say wo ba na wo bibi edi sabi bi agana wutwa make savings at them they have £20,000, $50,000. Wo ye wadwuma. Now, epsramo o ma me explain bibi nkyerɛ. Say wo run Kweku Owusu Frimpong Enterprise. Nana Owusu Limited, Adai and Family and Sons, a legal entity, a wajuma enterprise no chese we are sole proprietor. Limited liability no crowd and the law no say a legal entity. But even Adai Brothers and Sons a crowd no so a juma. Tiskana dasa a juma account in what do you call count or application you may refuse because a jumesika but because a year jumesika juma na year odiano say sika na wutimi pia beto account aya wajuma enti say sika na wutimi pia beto account The fact that we need tax clearance certificate, and I say this because and Rabban was a parliament, a boss had a nego say tax clearance certificate, we hear some of the renew or driver's license and our register or car. Yahoo decisions from British High Commission, Accra, are also you would do a Juma Baba, one for a tax clearance certificate. Yahu be anywhere a chess away a Juma, and also with the tax clearance certificate. Name mum Ghana your tax laws. Obia or what Ghana bia or what was so a Juma ye. So we a Juma, so we near Juma. So we a Juma near 3 Abosumi and our way away Jumano. Yes, say I was our file was or tax returns. Obia file self-assessment. And on that I almost supino. But that itself a wrong. Case be yes, South African case of more. So our case in the the fact say unemployment e wo kro bi so no. Wintimi use we no enka se oba wonko. Enye possible. Enti se wo use wadwuma aye application na wobetimi use wadwuma no but piesika no kogu wo personal account na boleta explain say adwuma we mi amedia paper da ho ni kwaku owusu frimpon enterprise aya wudi na hyeso enti wa ma ho sika say na wode ba wo hia invitation we book hotel okobookings.com there are other ones there Airbnb we book hotel when you proof what print it what check airline what check ticket online obetimi a print it because obehu cost no wo de ni nyina aka ho waka say cost ye be cost me ticket ne be cost me ebia $1,000 and $1,500 and sometimes you know ebia $600 wo the economy na eba and asa wo koye tap fu ibi no akofa airport to gala e de wo kochi na Ethiopian airline na omo fair no sometimes no e wo form why your calculation nyina but tell your story. Tell your story. Say, yes, me na uso, me a Uber driver, me wo yere, me wo ma. Me tikanation, me high 2-bedroom house, me tuya 20 cedis. Me tuya for 4 years. Agreement in it. Yes, me maame a owo UK no, ona busu me bia obra me £100 na me dididi. Ba kwan a me itu, me maame na etua ma me. There's absolutely nothing wrong with it. In fact, already Home Office guidance, the current one, I say, in West African countries, you know, family connection, in fact, all over the world, you know, family connections are very important to the extent, say, so wo ba a year, case law, say, a year na wo ba no, it may create some private or family life beer and intimate refusal. And those are some of the factors are obetimi use now they are by UK. It's a cool question, say I also be invited or no, there be one here invitation. But say we here invitation, not just a one a ujina or naso. I was so you be a sabe washer what so, and you will be a sabe busumi be a 2,000 cedis per and a dollar account.
Okay. And come another question. And Sakrani Ebeko say ye refusal ye kwan befa so aye ni ye na bia Osaka visa no. Eye say ye say osa oche say oba sign akọ. Me na me think how me mu say me ba me sign akọ. Me betra abuche aye this weather basaba say na no snow ato ade achi nsu ato anopa nsu to gidigidi all throughout the country. Nti nya ha na mpesa me I need my heat in my country no ade. But so they say the sweetness of the pudding is in the eating. Say uba corny idea and also timi hm. How do I prove say na fe meeting a convince case worker and say me ba me san akọ?
Kweku uba obesan akọ no evidence I will provide it. Inti case bia and nya decision no. Nipa no pharmacy ewo Legon. Oye or in the 20s, ne mame and then the papa waha, ne nuanom waha, ne mame mona shano, no mutu any sika, or another 2 years or the beko at university. Now, Sani pa will catch and say, wo mame no papa na show into uba won't call. Case of Gulsa Sagram, Scottish case, you know. I say, sa blanket refusal without assessing the evidence, supporting evidence. In that case, you know, almost provided statutory declaration. I won't assess the supporting evidence to determine say ade nipa na kan ye no kra na wrong. And case of Gushin, the same thing. Case of Abasi, same thing. Those are family life cases. Eventually, omutimi appeal. But within the body of the decision, no, it was a blanket refusal. Say yes, all the sponsor bank statement about yes, all the tenancy agreement about. Nemum, who was it? None yehwe. Yehu say uko school. Yehu say uma amena show. Enti engine this come on. I mean, ubetumi fa saa nye broni. Enti ada na yede saa ye. And this is what we say that we're going to fight. We'll fight. We've been fighting them on this. And the three-prong attacker, ye pese yede mamono, ye be kiremo eno nso aka ho. De enti a all those both the Immigration Act of 2014 and Immigration Act of 2016, I amend the Immigration Nationality and Asylum Act of 2002, no. I say we have visitors application here refusal. We need right of appeal. We need right for administrative review. I just say a human rights answer and I say race relation. Enti ye be kire say na obema application no. Abedan human rights application. Na wait me I appeal. Enti kwaku case law no wo ho. Omo guidance notes e wo ho. A specific case Maka case of Zagreb, a Scottish case, no, a Scottish case, but by part of United Kingdom, and applicable. Judge, was quite adamant, say obi at the evidence I can't application one. I was a home office no year assessment. No more check each and every supporting evidence. And so I went to me a catcher and I said, Oba wonko no de brofo anya de I will see you some.
Mo hoi de ye binya ho nimde na afi yenya ho ahoden so de agina ne aye ne ye. You say sebe wo ye ne ye from the beginning. You don't need to go back to correct it. Inti abusia enonti ena ye mausa adisuan ene ewo the legal hours so ewo BWTV so BW radio and BWF solicitors social media platforms ahodo ne nyina. Sandra Fraser, thank you very much. Sandy, good morning. Manya and to me, abusia for say who me and Manya is a bit under the weather. Inti and ninya bema ureko sufrimpon and me di ho chia me ade amanu fiada no pebia no and na muhunu aban one Smith Cornelius. Good morning, Uncle Bernard. This is Cornelius. Ade mununkum enso ade dear abba. Good morning, family and friends. Sandra, I think you realize along the line say Uncle K and mewaha. Good morning to you. Yes, Alex Osei say I'm surprised. Good morning anyway. Don't be surprised. Minimanya dear you're calling left and right and front into Nina Pepe Sandra yang quite to BWF solicitors and the numbers I hold no Egina and inti yan Shannon. So Nana Bob, good morning, BWF family members, Manyanatik, Ureku, Uncle Ben, Richard, Eunice, Charles, and Abrichede. God bless us all. Mercy Frimpon Sodia Bar, thank you, BWF solicitors, for a successful 3 applications. I am grateful. Mercy, you're happy. Say, I juma. Now, what trust BWF solicitors? Now, what they applications never found so ma would juma and ma war. Elements Cleaning Services must say good morning. Anita Japan. Good morning and Merry Christmas, everyone. Sanso and Aban one Smith Cornelius. Good morning, Merry Christmas, Uncle Bernard. Please, when are you starting the quiz? What time? Also, at the tail end of the program, and the quiz and I've got all the questions here, and yebedi hu ejuma echna nyame aduma on the community and the law program no so no yede a year draw no ebeba na yehunu who are going to win. Kevin Asamoah, good morning, Uncle Ben Oreku, and all the crew and staff of BWF solicitors. Daniela Che Mensa, wow, good news. Daniela, yes, good news. Quite cry before so appeals no ne idea no about visitors visa no eba in the next segment in we can kind way we are further good news will be coming. Dominic Tansen, wow, we are blessed to have Uncle Ben. Kwame Atajimasi, I'm watching from Aylesbury. Kwame, I just saying, I said 2 or so years ago, pre-COVID, we share Father Christmas at the Bayama, Yina, Yetunsa, Eddie. I think so, the quiz no eba nti participating here say betimi atwa watum amwako Ghana. Inshaba Prophet, what's the WhatsApp number? And yɛde ato so no 0795042278 0795042278. Ɛbɛn so na wobɛfrɛ nso a 0739920848. And Ubetimi nso afrɛ 0208-123-1016. Dr. Sadum, good morning. Daniela Chei had a question be about me boss Cecilia, but Mamincha Rehel Yamba Abnaji wa Richard Nana or say to Namayete, please speedy recovery. Na is a bit under the weather. Na Yame Ebeka Hona or more what day. Ajiwa Ajimai, good morning. Now, again, Daniela, the question be about, and that leads us straight into the second part and whatever Mamim Bosso and Fa and my was see Ninia Nasil, their sister-in-law, and Nasa Kuma and Kanisa, just graduated from school, but unfortunately, all her cousins she invited to a graduation who are also students were refused because they believed the money in their sponsors' bank accounts was not genuine, hence refusing them all. But the uncle who is sponsoring them is a very prominent man who is very wealthy, and they were not given the chance to appeal to. Bibisano or more ebeye den. Kwabe senior befa a remedy sa refusal situation akabed.
Well, I mean, first of all, with visitors application, we need priority service, so that's very good. I'll be making a decision within a week or so. So we'll be banning a refusal na 1 year near money year. So na maybe na. First of all, no, so our case be to say soya midden a 2012 citation. Omoma again 5 reasons I was share so who determines will be a genuine visitor. Finance a part of it. And it is a finance no also uncle near prominent in what sense? Owusika or this kind of eton account or the tone account or a gift deed ana. Gift deed or buy a baby amount a legal document say nipane this channel. In fact, Home Office recommended in certain cases say obi this kama obi a na gift deed can wa any sort of question. Say uncle he was camper, I had a bank statement maybe 6 months. You who say every month be a skegun account maybe a 1 million Ghana cedis, 2 million, 3 million, or yeah, Juma Kama, ba 1 money see gift deed. That's fine. So 1 man a gift deed cry no say me na me sponsor no the ono one personal and yet the business. But a personal bank account ama covering at least about 6 months, maybe a year. Now I throw a letter, we're explaining exactly the entire all supporting the warfare. Because for year, you know, as warfare, no, so we be ma warfare say, you know, it's so satisfying. You know, it's the culture, and most of us, you know, so if you throw away Ukraine, say uja bibi ma was sister mba, say okay, my bibi ma my sister, my ya nyama no. Those are the reasons I was explaining. Reason here. Uncle support to the nephew and any niece say on say possibly about $2,000 or thereabout now on fanco 1 week 2 weeks and now 1 month now uncle holiday number whatever you're doing no evidence explanation bank statement sky bemuno say unusual na your wow bank statement explain the entire you tear 5,000 cedis a month, but suddenly 20,000 cedis abetum. Scanning hinifi. Oh, evidence I would explain, I would backing up. Do that within the body of the application, but also no, obetimi a detailed cover letter. No, I pick a point by point. It doesn't have to be say ultra legal English, ordinary English. What my background, mimi nipa say ebi a meton spare parts was swame and asa aboso kind. Me income ni ba obehu se me bank statement no sika bi abem. Se sika ya ba mu aha na fi. Amaami bi a meton ade ma no no wentua afi no wenye sika betua anode abetua. You know, ebi a waje letter free no ho. Wo business account no what transfer bi a 50,000 Ghana e de kogu o personal account again. Add the 2 accounts explaining natural letter because the case of soya median, no, what ɛka no saa factors we very very important. So wotimi cover no Home Office guidance ɛka the same thing na wotimi ma full explanation now mo ba say when you genuine visitor because the engine this okwa obesan wachi then you can take them on and we will show you in a minute how I'll bet me I take you on.
Okay. Daniela de Bibi Ababa Soso or say not gift deed, but 6 months personal statement with millions in it. He provided his work contract, 6 months pay slips, and a cover letter stating all he does at his workplace. Nenye enough an uncle.
Well, ne uncle no asem no okay. Uncle no yet the applicant. Enti the fact say uncle no I provide this information way you know. Then uncle no chro kan nipa no adenti na or sponsor no ye frɛ bibi ye frɛ no plausibility plausibility se bibi a plausible men ka possible me say plausible che say to asom enti kwesi broni sabio Ghana me mehu obi a wafa $10,000 e de ache obi da I've seen it several times out the ache no kwesi broni nyesa enti ohun se obi ayesa na you need to explain why who to ticket ama wo nephew no akwa abrochire. Those are the things you miss in your visitor's application. You assume say okay nkrofo ye bade bia but ye nyina ye nye the same. The fact say obi ye bank manager and I say or your business owner the turnover a year ye be 100 million Ghana cedis no enkyere say nipa na or ye Uber driver no ontimi emba UK embesra ne nua ana ne maame ana ne yere ana ne mba. These are things ya perfected. So when we go into typical visitors application, no could be an evidence they call it 120 pages of documents. 120
visitors application.
Yes, because I a trap warm because we are mistaken now. When we come back and cite a case of Guham Sagra, we cite a case of the boss Scottish case, Sagra case, your citing Home Office guidance notes. In fact, you're citing all the case laws dealing with genuineness of the visit now. Home Office need stand beer. I almost feel because we need right of appeal, of course, never be brave or how be me and then we will note that in the next minute or two.
Okay. Any young coso sabe you say you to tell beti na niche mu no. A kwan be so ne be fa so.
First of all, no, so we your application cover letter. I've explained that. Reason tia the cover letter ba no. So we share Home Office guidance notes. We Home Office omo law now they refer to bibi a friend specified evidence bibi a we bia no ade a we support no evidence sounds so na we visitors application a be a specified evidence ni mo no ye woni ma ya recommend say e wo say wo de call what the bank statement o ba o papa ho a proof say o papa e wa setena 2 proof say o ya wo papa 3 oba wunia wa proof say oye wunia proof say o wa setna or no sponsor wa proof say o will scout the sponsor in fact our access into our savings. Finally wafa actual letter both online or fill application form or more spare space or more friend extra or further evidence and our further representation where state you se me na na wusu me ba besra me papa me ne me papa na ye busua enti application ya me ye a human rights application in the sense case of Gushin, case of Koa, both cases court na kase even between two adults, a father and a son, a mother and grandchildren it creates family life. And say we refuse sa application and nipa natural say or ba family life. The entire family life or ye ninua or ye ne maame or ye ne yere or ye ne ba or ye ne grandchild or ba besra ne grandchildren Sa family life now was stating when stating what backing it up with evidence until you wanna now or you then or you wanna birth certificates. Or your ba or then a year birth certificate. Or you or then a year marriage certificate. Or your mommy or then a year birth certificate. What is any man account one? Now we refer almost say all those say we need right of appeal, no? Because we're a human rights application, no? Under both the 2004-2016 Immigration Act and both the 2002 Nationality Immigration Asylum Act, no? It creates a right of appeal because when you're human right. Because Uncle Ben, well, yeah, hear that. Now I'm catching any right of appeal. That's true. However, the president of the first tier and the second tier tribunal, upper tribunal, say, Home Office year decision. Now, Oman comply with the notices regulation of 2005 because he has served the appropriate notice or right of appeal. Still, ubetimi aye appeal. Into visitors visa application, no decision is a wintimi appeal. Directions, any case law say ubetimi aye appeal. But we appeal now. We appeal purely on human rights basis. Now we be court and say undetermined jurisdiction as a preliminary issue. Now, it's quite complex, it's quite legal, but very easy. When you with decision now, we'll call HMCT, whatever, Her Majesty Courts and Tribunal Services now. We'll call appealer, we be amount, a online portal. Or failure, or besides, is it a human rights decision? We'll say yes.
Yes.
Now we'll call what fail it. We feel it we are, a reference number, a cast to your court fee. What's your court fee now? A full proper reference number. Uber out of that application and appeal now why now. Yeah, application. To call link now be documents, decision, application, click your application. A drop down. There you write. So this is an application invoking the first tier tribunal's inherent jurisdiction in the sense that this application amounts to a human rights application. I have attached proof that it's a human rights application. The relationship between myself, the appellant, and the sponsor is that of brothers or sisters or parent and a child or grandchild and a grandparent. In the circumstances, I want the court to determine this appeal as a preliminary issue, whether it has jurisdiction. Period.
A lawyer for Brofo.
A lawyer for Brofo, but I determine the appeal as a preliminary issue, you know. But yeah, I mean, ordinary English. Because one year, see a tribunal, almost clerks be go almost for somewhere judges. Oba bought what in a group, oba rejected. Until also we use chosen words, a industry language. So I said, your name is a bond, or buying bond, a friend coupon. Until we use our language now, Nipana Yana Jumano, Nimadia Oka. Until we determine this as a preliminary issue of the court's jurisdiction. Please determine this appeal as a preliminary issue on the court's jurisdiction, whether the court has the right to listen or hear this case. This is a human rights application and therefore must attract a right of appeal. So yeah, of course, the language will be different. But because I made sure will be our Facebook, I want people to understand, say, wow, bet me, but say, who's through because I a bit frightening in the facts. Normal websites, sometimes and it can really be frightening. Bet me, I'm a lawyer. Yes, application now. Yeah.
A foot to me, and come as metro, but the food you have made the man say, yes, say, yeah, or come, Gianni, say, my main. Mr. Don't go and mess it up. Appeal me de mau and say. A woman said, and you may be why Uncle Ben and BWF solicitors for 30 years they have empowered us. You beat me and now swaye, but I near my way. In fact, I'm fun with Diagra. I as a walk say electrician Bijana, electricity cable ho na watwe we no de asha no de asha office self ukoto se etikasi awi adwe a enya fosa de me tool for ne se fa wo niema no nyina epe lawyer ote emra na se onim this strategy because they all came Sebi, it's on the website, but people don't even know how to use it. Oko a car boot a lawyer for no how mujina McDonald's no maybe car boot no mukase me ye adwuma ma or who strategy way they will mess your case up. But the media may recommend they say for how anyone some any idea, especially in that situation. If you will listen to me as your trusted friend, if you listen to me, Fakoma BWF solicitors no nyama. Why? Free one was 0208 493 7340 and now say 077 127 61884. Free one Sabia make us say Monday to Friday or more a year from 9:30 to a numerous 6 o'clock. They are on the 4th floor of the Anna House, a year 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road and so. And then come ADS how to make a successful visitors visa application and appeal against any refusal. Now Obi Aka will say when Uncle Ben comes up on the show, it's always good news. Yes, sir, and a BWF solicitors at the yang. And a woman say Maji Uncle Ben no SCE along the line, no any further information or the back home at the Amaya. But I read a client the horse over to me, I send the text and voice notes no 07950422780. And I say over for 07399208468. 07399208468. Covenant Grace, a visa question be waha or say, can someone who was refused a visitor's visa 10 years ago and now in the UK use super priority service for indefinite leave to remain inside UK? Senator Kano, call your questions and concerns, so we have some voice notes and other things. But before we any kind Emma and Kabena Adaruma, I'm going to tell Mayana young call the next one. So
now beside or say, can someone who was refused visitor's visa 10 years ago and now in UK use super priority for indefinite leave to remain? Well, I mean, first of all, senipa no waha no lawful residence or to me use any of the priority services say available in Kwadia. Yes, you can use it. Yes.
Okay, all right. Somebody can no quite your questions and your concerns no so any the Uncle Ben actually move between a whole question and I say any other question I want to with me a day about text or not somebody can boss so
I'm saying
4222780. Uncle Ben, but okay, say you're fire your first voice note no.
Oh yes, you bet me afa bibia yeah.
Okay, all right. Nana Bob dear Eddie Kanya Beto, so you know and you call your voice note no so or say a dependent husband of a student who came here March this year has divorced customarily. The man has met a new partner who's British citizen of Ghanaian descent. They have married under Ghanaian customary law 2 months ago. Family back home did it. They didn't go. They want to apply for 2.5 year leave to remain under UK immigration rules. They will be successful. Nigerian said they needed to go home and do the marriage, but the guy thinks he got a visa left on his dependent visa in Tinyadia. I was say Oko. But could that be right, Uncle Ben?
Well, I mean, the first of all, no, Home Office guidance on marriages and divorces, Ghanaian marriages are valid. Case law, both at the Court of Appeal, case of McCabe and McCabe, as the customary marriages are valid in the UK, so we are outsider. Again, the case of CB Brazil, quite clearly also on proxy marriages, as the proxy marriages are valid in the UK, if they are valid. And it's a marriage now, excuse me, or Ghana under customary law, a valid for Ghana and Kwade are valid in the UK. Time our year no was it now. I know said they've been cheeky because Bakwe Jai Bako, technically no, Bakwe dependent on Bako. The application I was somewhere quickly. Will it succeed? Of course, it may succeed. First of all, also meet the financial requirement, also meet the English requirement, maintenance and accommodation, relationship and genuineness of the relationship. So meet this adding are very likely. They need evidence Ghana marriage certificate, Marriage Act of 1836 of Ghana. To say I marriage rules in both the ordinance Cap 127 Mohammedan and customary law no. All the friend of Marriage Act 1836. Sa Marriage Act no. Oshemwa. Sa schedule at the back of customary marriages PNDC law 112 no. Ultimately using as marriage certificate, annex and then normally marriage certificate. To why your statutory declaration, why your apostle account red silver bosono, a buyable letter, or Ghana High Commission, why your letter, or the your application, it's very likely to succeed. Yeah.
Okay. Offer from so ebetimi at the Nedie Abba Aquilis Baraza. Say with the explanation, please take it to BWF solicitors. The language is above all the laymen. So please, I'm begging you all. I will add my voice to that. Pacho, Fakoma BWF no munyama. Angaba yes say your sponsorship certificate and your date to start work is 9th January. Does it mean that you have to apply for the visa before the date now?
Ideally, yes. Say your COA. Now, this is a process. Nipana Oma COA, no. First of all, your application to Home Office, say per COS, a certificate of sponsorship, and also per DCOS, a defined certificate of sponsorship. Munya explanation. Into your data, or yes, I don't know, or the data, mobile start here, Juman, or the shame. Enti your application no I say November or say be mobile start December but e bia no ma approve till December enti or the ma no so the amount e bia end of December and so be start 1st January 1st December of course time na asa ono a oye sponsor no okọ ne SMS a your friend sponsorship management system no okọ certificate no so a or click search certificate, not the passport number shema. A certificate in about or scroll down or back say sponsor note. To sponsor no be note ashe so say all those semeka so be start 1st December no. Ye issue in term until be be start January and now February. I allowed ultimately the year application. Ni nyina your internal works and fa but sponsor then I was so yes sir.
Oh, yes, I did. Okay. 07950422780. May pick more text or call no subit me about 0208-123-1016 and now 0739920848. The text messages no kakra emfa and so my friend's further leave to remain expires 27th of December 2022. They only just realized the expiry date. They cannot get any appointments for completing the B1 and life in the UK before 27th December. If the application was submitted and test taken later, would that be allowed? Now they are not appointments for any like life in the UK test. Waiting the application to my chain or this evidence.
Absolutely. In fact, I Nipana a committee error, but it's a committee federal error. I'll be trying and adding a woo. To your application, about your application, you be so English. You be so. The answer is no. Koko can yes, sir. It creates a problem. It may be misrepresentation. I'm saying cases are mehono, omun use misrepresentation. But you be so English and life in UK, we say no. Please, again, no, almost space or explain it. Say, your application, no, sana one overstay, one register, booking reference now, for upload no as part of our documents, no. Bonsa, buku unsano na, allow my upload documents, no. We buku English now when you date, no, upload no. Omo ye very, very, very understanding. Say bani masa ye refusal. But na mum one yet and I could try and throw say yes me wo. Because uni crash still to me application. No. Omo fan say be our exemption be. When throw here now so near on be throw be say English way. but just be proactive. No more say date say obey. But yen yenye proactive. Na yenye sa niyema no ansa na yasetena no asa. Obi a wonim se obey apply for indefinite dachi bia apart from EU for no. Wo a share se obey life in UK and English at B1. Ti wopa your life in UK ne to ho. Na aka less than 2 years why your English and so ato ho. So time no so na wetimi e dia ye.
I go further to this question will be a baby so I will say onya ne indefinite leave to remain bra or pursue a year domestic violence route no and your day a man no na watna when indefinite the man no watna so for 4 years so say or who can so bet me apply for naturalization na and also no better English and life in the UK test na.
Yes, obey for naturalization, section 6. This will be section 6.1 because it will be under the 5-year route. You know. Both Shadow 1 no eka language a share say obetro. So we have domestic violence, language, and a life in UK and kaho. We are bereaved and also kaho because both instances are a special circumstance. Obia sabio will go through anytime yakayaka de our remana relationship model English tron and yadi kaho. So answer na uku and our yere and our partner within the requirements and also when you English. You know. So we are over 65 when you English in life life in UK and so yeah.
Okay. Now and also I know wait me apply for a fee waiver.
For domestic violence.
Domestic violence.
So you or
apply for naturalization.
Yes, domestic violence. There were 2 applications. Your first one, you destitution, domestic violence. Almost accept it, no. Very likely say you do fee no becho. But so almost accept it, no. Naturally say I will say you fee no.
Okay. You befa one quick question. Nana Bob nyabotre na quiz neba. You don't worry. But Nana Bob who say bisa say yeah China you be quiz na ansani I draw na. Yes, we'll do a quick one before we do the draw because it's only fair say Saturday a bit na ebeka ho. Nti yam for the last text message no na yen kwese ebekọ yam quiz no so Uncle Ben I'll say official Paul Brakweku and Uncle Ben. Or invite ne Nana already 85 or person Babesrano April 2023 next year. Nema who are her great grandchildren want have asked to see her or they want to see her. Nti mofrano episode mu Nana and nti omo say invited na April omra. We are a family of 4 and the cost of our flights will be 3,200. If my grandmother comes here, it will only cost us £800. Nti cost and value analysis our mortgage and financially we now so it will be okay to sponsor ne mame and ne grandmother no trip no fully. She was widowed during the pandemic, so just needs a few weeks with her great grandchildren. My children met their great grandfather, the husband that died in 2019, just before he passed away. So it was a good thing they did. My grandmother doesn't have a bank statement or anything to show her financial status. Who do we go, or how do we, I think that's the question, how do we go about this, please? She doesn't speak English at all. We're the 85. And when they say I was saying straight away,
brilliant. Mamu year di we free ho. Mr. Munyana munsua bibi free. One was na crutch natural. Ohima Mami Mercy. Man was na yenua be atro na ade no. Man cost benefit analysis na ya ye no. De bia me explain bibi, you will be a friend of cost and you will be a friend of benefit. Within the cost and the benefit, and your friend be value. So what is the value to you? Within this, sometimes throw there we apply to almost all the cases are on a holiday, typically with families. One will send a cost now I call Ghana, I call her mame. One will send a cost no money mame aba. Ne mame apart from plain fare no, a can be any home bobium, or bar dine or hobe them, or bed diane or hobedi. within that no hwɛ deɛ ɔde aka ho ne kun awu ohia rekyekye ɔwɔ nananom wɔ ha already no papa wei wayɛ human rights application ɔhema wei wayɛ human rights application how you go about it no deɛ watwerɛ yi wosiesie ho kakra na woyi brɔkɔ ne anka bɛn firi mu a na woyi afihyiapa ne firi mu a na wo ade no
what's your supporting statement come on
ɛbɛfa explaining sɛ wo maame ne bank account mo na mo fa bibia explaining adeɛ pɔten a wo maame yɛ ɔwɔ abusua wɔ Ghana baabi ɔtena yɛ ne deɛ a den na ɔyɛ dabɛ no ba retirement dabɛ na ne kun wui mo wɔ death certificate ɔne mo kasa mo wɔ text messages a mo yɛ video calls ɔne wo ma na kasa ne nyinaa no wo leave bibia ɛfrɛ no footprint wo yɛ no nipa na ɔkan ade no ɔhwɛ ɔsɛ we nya typical Ghanaian application I was say me very careful mintimi mfa saa onya genuine visitor okɔ a ɔma no mintimi mfa nya and it makes them think ohun we a bɛka sɛ no wo a wo support no o bank statements obi a sɛbi o wetimi atwerɛ we di obetimi explain item bia a wo bank statement ne so yɛ unusual so wo savings a wo de ne nyinaa boma na wayɛ ɛyɛ very likely sɛ wo maame sika ɛno na odidididi monyɛ ne nyinaa ɛmfa nka ho na monyɛ mo application with a cover letter na ɔbɛdu next year momfrɛ na yɛmbɛkyia no
but abrewa ba menim sɛ mbɛyɛ ayi abemuduro ne fuo yana mode ɛkɔtɔ ne adeɛ sisi ne tiri so na wafrɛ ne aba. Covenant Grace at the Fufraba, please, is a disabled child who is receiving medical treatment be described as significant obstacles for couples living in the UK, British and Ghanaian partners? So quickly,
yeah, insurmountable obstacle, and right, Eunice Bosso, absolutely. So, you know, or baby receive treatment, then unpesa that itself no betimi constitute insurmountable obstacle. According to a British, you don't have to raise insurmountable obstacle. We use appendix EX1A. Some of your partners you use appendix EX1B. Within that, appendix 2, insurmountable obstacle. This clearly can be described as insurmountable obstacle. No sure, sir, or receive treatment with the doctor or consultant's report. That should suffice.
Okay. 0739920848 and now 020812311016. Ebusia 4, it is the time you're waiting for, and we are here and ready for you. Young quiz, as the BWF solicitors at the at the end of the year 2022, and I said we're getting 3 people to win these wonderful prizes. A year, 1 2-week stay, flights and accommodation catered for in Ghana. £500 second prize, cash. And a fee, £200, and also a third prize, cash. And until so while you're ready, I'm waiting for your calls. Uncle Ben himself is here, and okay. So why you be there now? Deal what pot no more but don't even worry to do that. There are other people the chance. And Uncle Ben Kayan, there are thousands of people who also deserve the same chance as you have. And young quiet. The next 10 minutes we are going to do our quiz 02081231. So thank you.
Hello, good morning. Your friend saying I hear
now. Good morning, Uncle Bird. Refusal.
I've from come to you. Oh, my friend saying.
Good morning, Pacho. Uncle Bird, Pacho, where them you walk? Question been on pese me busaka Christ over to me.
Yo.
Uncle Bird, Pacho, where there na me kuye uni, but your friend is a menene confirm me ma me buy. Which is my divorce, my Jimmy indefinite, my BBA. By now, no, say or the home office at Chelsea divorce, which is my Jimmy indefinite. Now, me, my men so dear no, I can next year or Becca Jimmy indefinite, but now me person me busa say now, me nini she, me mammy depending on me. And now home office for who say my divorce, no, a bit me affected me, mammy, which is me nini she be, me, my Jimmy dear, because. I say me apply for my British passport, but me mama.
Ohima British passport and so transfer kakra. Now you sort of mommy out. The first thing is me say transfer kakra. O mame a family member of the EU no. Enti what me nka?
Me pacho say lie ni mo ye you kakra.
And a fatu so netie. What me nka?
Me pacho
Afi what me nka on.
me pacho.
Okay. First of all, no, woman a family member of the EU national. Enti time a ugu aware no. Woman nso abeye bibi a your friend no retain right of residence. Enti because when you retention of right no. Say woman no or ya woman no. All she needs to show is still no wo kromo ha. Watena ha 5 years. One wona te why a divorce. Now we worry EU ni or application with reference 3434 no or the aye or the WN number shame or EU ni passport copy wa upload unia and necessary na or the aye application into uma me betimi aye why
Me pacho without me kuni be documents ne share nka o metimi aye ama no.
so what the documents are especially in the reference number 3434 that's fine unia. That's absolutely fine. What the no? Wo betimi use but to mame our retention of right. Ade was say wo kire say data we divorce no na be ma na wa ha. Well mu no na watena ha 3 years and so na we divorce after that no mu nyina matena ha for 5 years now mame atena ha no we retaining the right no since data we divorce no. Enti obetimi aye. Why?
Me pacho you. Into me try to say 5 years and then so preko.
I was 5 years and so answer.
Me pacho you. Me that's
okay.
Pacho you. Bye.
Okay. 0208-123-1016.
Good morning, Uncle Ben. Good morning, Oreku. Me pacho na me pese mi bisa se ebia obi wo Ghana.
Oh, unfortunately, we are boy Yemfa call no na.
Hello, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. It's gone. Okay. Hello, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Let's call it again. Hello, good morning. Good morning.
Hello.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning, Uncle Ben. Good morning.
Pasha Frost. Okay. My WhatsApp number.
Uncle Ben, me pacho we dey maybe that question about student finance. So na me bisa say so if you apply for student finance adwuma we ye no ana say sika wo je no affecting an because na me kope adwuma bi ananka me koye adwuma no but adwuma no before so be no omo training once na training no be training no I think say I had to say 6 months training which is a school be out but ultimately unless student finance and a finance but omode me P60 no almost is
Is it gone? Oh. Okay. Well, I mean, yeah, student finance, no, you will one, you will be a tuition fee and you will maintenance. Tuition fee, a year doesn't affect it. But maintenance, no, it's every time they affect it. The income be a assessment, or maybe brea, assessments count, and I was so Shannon. So, yeah.
Okay.
university.
Well, a break a crowd way and Nemo, I bet me a day after a year calls Nibi. WhatsApp number bar 0795042278
Bring
and
your
answer over
requesters.
07399208468. So far, Obia, we have a few moments to go. Okay, Obia Baso here.
All right, good morning.
Morning, Uncle Ben. Pacho, sorry, you mean I'm busy about student finance. And I'm saying,
Yeah.
a kate.
Okay, yeah, mama will answer no. Ain't almost here with P16 and almost saying.
And almost say, scanner major a dozen, and may qualify for the finance.
Won't qualify for maintenance and our tuition fee.
Yeah, maintenance now.
You're right. Maintenance no, is to maintain you. To say, oh, income, very unlikely, see the amount. But with tuition fee, there, opesa wo jenko ade on betua because no mutua no ema university no.
Okay.
Okay.
Pacho, yeah. Na metimi akọ quiz ne so bia na pacho.
Yes. Kwaku opesa o quiz.
Okay. Hello, Minia, Otemega. Hello.
Hello, Pacho.
Otemega.
Pacho.
Okay, very good. Yade wo 1 minute no shall CCC until why ready?
I'm sure line mu very bad kakra.
Emu ye quiet kakra, but Otemega say.
Hello.
Hello. But Otemega.
Me ba o ma me. Oh, but Otemega on.
Uncle Ben Pacho me too.
Okay, nti yan hwe ne anya quiz na. I say, how many days do BWF solicitors work in a week? Kwaku start the clock no.
Okay, I didn't start the clock now.
5 days, but in the major.
Okay. Next. Oh, yeah, I drop it.
Sorry. Emergency situation in T and I'm saying I'm connection no basana Daniela Kranzo say Ghana na network near horrible. Okay. My main for this text. But your mom went to me muscle for quiz no Yami Adumachna when we on the community and the law na yebeye quiz no answer na ya draw no nti mfa eno enche yen enne nti well nti me muscle enne for quiz no because of our technical issues no extra dey whatever.
Good morning.
Good morning, Uncle Ben.
Yo, I don't pay. The front say.
I don't pay them. Person me join them question. I.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
and yanko quiz na so.
Mate.
Kwaku quiz na mark mama why? Within the same.
Okay.
Alex, the uncle. First
Alex
of all.
Oh, must let you why you be the
Alex Osei.
But
Okay, I die who ne number no. Yes. Chiro ne number no to ho. Alex.
Uncle, meet you.
How many years does a child has to be for his parent to depend on them for limited leave to remain in the UK?
7 years.
How many years do you have to be on family visa at any one time before renewal?
10 years.
How many years of service did BWF celebrate this year?
30 years.
Name one of the lawyers at BWF solicitors.
Richard Nkrumah.
Apart from Maradona, which Argentinian footballer has won the best player at the World Cup?
Lionel Messi.
If driving in Ghana, you drive on the left-hand side of the road. True or false?
False.
What is the name of the seat of government in Ghana?
Jubilee House.
Apart from London, does BWF have an office anywhere in the world?
In Ghana, Accra.
What is the name of the national airline of Britain?
British Airways.
Which one comes first, New Year or Christmas?
New Year.
What are the opening hours of BWF solicitors?
9:30 to 6 o'clock p.m.
What time also? Yeah, that's bebre. Why are there pa?
Mr. Medamase. Oreku, Ochiremeshia was the community and the law.
Alex, why are there?
Uncle Minya saying.
Yes, that's it. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho, your friend saying.
Uncle Ben, I'm Pacho. I sorry no matter about you. And
So see a quiz in Kwan here you. You law no. Yeah, quiz in Kwan. You. And you shall see. What did you say? Asari then.
Asari Franklin.
Franklin Asari. Adai. Yeko. My time has started. On what floor of Anna House is BWF located? Asari, what floor? Floor Bena BWF was so.
I think he has gone.
Oh, he's gone off.
Mercy is called.
Okay, good morning, Mercy. Hello, good morning. Kwaku, I'm saying I didn't need more. I think so. Yeah, draw curtain.
I'm saying.
Achina.
Achina,
Yapon, I would add Yapon.
And then Mr. Moa, Mofan Che, I'm saying. Well, people are still trying. It's very encouraging. You try back one, Ben.
Good morning.
Hello, good morning, Uncle Ben.
Okay, yeah, quiz and Pacho, Upazo, yeah, quiz and Ibi.
Me Pacho, Asari.
You. Your friend saying.
Asari.
It's a friend, Asari, Franklin.
Franklin Asari. Okay. Franklin, floor banner BWF solicitors office wall.
Almost 4th floor, Anna House.
Which part of London now will be who BWF solicitors?
North London.
BWF solicitors, lawyers, ahina ye juma wo.
Pacho, lawyers, omoye 4.
Nansaya BWF a celebrity BB. Dana Uncle Ben celebrity.
15 years in service.
National flag of Ghana, a red, gold, green with a black star in the middle. True or false?
True.
Ghana, Enya independence, 3rd of March 1968. True or false?
False.
Ghana, you run a parliamentary system of government. True or false?
True.
Okay, I am false, but you're here for the
yeah.
day. Thank you very much. Kweku, rapid quiz.
We have 4 out of 7.
Oh, you have 4 out of 7.
Aye.
Okay. Okay, good.
Okay, I was here. I'm say a breno enti ya de besi asem di kan kai no mkobe na mai ho kwan echina nyame ya adoma ya de quiz no ebeba. We do a bit of an extended version of it. Sebe ya we are na ya the names no nyina agu pot de mo na ya draw no. Ene the Uncle Ben di ho enkomo is how to make a successful business visa application again and how to appeal against any refusal. Ngbe we dey wadarema say ye bebo bibi tofa na ye dey aboy ntoma no na ye dey akọ.
Madam Fubiaba, so I'm calling for the quiz or Frefiga. Sandra, I am a friend, my transfer amount. First of all, no, end of the year, you be Jesus now, no. abusuafo bebree time a yɛde bɔ mu ni yɛda mo ase sɛ over the last whatever years no ma support yɛn ɛyɛ yɛn nika bebree sɛ yɛtumi frɛ yɛn ho community lawyers because of more ɛnɛ ade a yɛka ɛyɛ visitors visa yɛmu bebree na yɛbusuafoɔ wɔ Ghana ɛyɛ yɛpɛ sɛ ɔmo bɛsra yɛmpɛ sɛ ɔmo bɛtena ha yɛmpɛ sɛ yɛbɛtwa ntorɔ yɛmpɛ sɛ yɛbɛyɛ connection man ade a ɛwɔ sɛ yɛhyɛ no nso no sɛ wɔyɛ application a ɛwɔ sɛ wonya abotrɛ na asɛm bi a woka bi a wonya ho asoɔde na wode kyerɛ evidence nti wo bank statements ɛwɔ sɛ wokyerɛ sɛ sika bi abam a ɛnyɛ sika ɛta abam a ɛwɔ sɛ wokyerɛ baabi a sika no free sɛ obi na ɛhwɛ wo so a ɛwɔ sɛ nipa no ɛtwerɛ letter na wo explain wɔn mu ɛwɔ sɛ wokyerɛ letter cover letter nicely either say in the body of the application and answer why you no cover letter wo de be support no na ayɛ kama kwaku ɛnɛ deɛ de besi na ɛkyena ana yɛyɛ draw no ɛkyena mo a mo winning no mo a mo kɔ Ghana mo ticket bibia o ma yɛwie a yɛbɛfra wo ne ne wakasa mo £500 no sɛ kyena mo ba ha mo betimi abɛfa mo amba nso a yɛyɛ back to work on the 28th oba officer yɛde cash no yɛbɛka yɛ gu nsɛm ne yɛtwa photo kama ne yɛde aba social media ti nyame yɛ adom a ɛkyena kwaku bɛhwɛ mo meba mo nyinaa afihyia pa nyame nkɔ so nhwɛ yɛn na next year ɛnyɛ even far bigger better and blessed than this year nyame hwɛ yɛn nyinaa bye bye.
We couldn't have had a better year and a more fulfilling year with the grace of God abounding. And he said, Yetimi Abba Drusabre, Asada, and Yedimo Tridian Point Yame. Now, Faye Asadan so and call BWF Solicitors, Tichu Uncle Ben, our senior partner, with dear Nemo, a director affairs, with his direction, with his leadership and everything. With me, Abwaying. I was for lawyer Eunice Ase, lawyer Richard Ase, lawyer Patrick Ase, so and lawyer Charles Asman, so Nasir. It be also Asada Emma, I was for BWF Solicitors in on Legal Hour on a Friday. This is the last one we haven't for the year 2022. And on behalf of Na Manyete, may they as they mamunina sema support. Now, me faster so Emma and studio director, Professor Ade. His humility, his ability on the job, and the rest of it is so marvelous. Professor Ade, thank you so very much. Sheila Ankra, yada sit nyame ensure say also utechi na we all the admin work and my broadcast and eba so fefe kama. So as soon as that encore Patrick Padmo Dodu also a year aesthetic ways flyers near designs I would no designing your screen and everything. So and obi biara wahwe yen say a year ye nante mu yen kasa mu any ade nyina yeda mo ase. So bibi ekocho in any way throughout the year we accept to say we were in the wrong and we apologize. So let us all share the glory together because we are family and we're in a community and we're doing things together. Your family reku frimpon ha ene ye demo esi nyame ya domachna besan atemenka ewo the community and the law. So have a good day. Have a Merry Christmas if I don't see you tomorrow, but I hope to see you. And a prosperous New Year I wish all of you. From BWF Solicitors, BW Communications made up of BW TV and BW Radio. Have a good morning.
This is our world. Here we are in our community. There are the laws. There are the regulations. We have BWF Solicitors. BWF Solicitors, experts in all aspects of the law, family law, civil litigation, all immigration and nationality issues, representation in court, marriage and divorce. We pride ourselves to give you excellent legal services and follow through till we get you the right result and decisions. That is our mutual satisfaction. We have a team of excellent qualified solicitors and support team to help you every step of the way. Our senior partner with over 30 years of unbroken service to the community is a member of the Family Law Panel and has advised several lawyers and institutions in many legal matters. He is qualified to practice both in the UK and in Ghana. Come to us. Speak to us. Let us represent you. We are your trusted community partners when it comes to the law. Locate us on the 4th floor of the Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road at Seven Sisters in North London, N15 4NP. Nearest train station, Victoria Line to Seven Sisters Station, exit number 2. We are open for all consultations from Monday to Friday, 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. Weekends by appointment only. Call us now on 0208 493 7340 or 077 127 61884. BWF Solicitors, your trusted legal partner.